Andrea Suarez. I am the marketing manager here at Waste Consultants, and today we are going to talk specifically about what we don't do. Part one. What we do is actually pretty unique. We are independent waste auditors or reviewers that find every savings opportunity you're sitting on. We do this through our audits, a remote detailed analysis of your waste and recycling process. We've made deliberate decisions to offer services that benefit you and your bottom line. This is why we don't obscure our pricing, pay vendor bills on your behalf. Not doing these things ensures that there are no surprises on your end. We don't believe in being anything less than transparent, whether it comes to our rates, our billing practices, or our services. We don't obscure our pricing. We bill for 50% of the savings we find you. That's really it. That's the bottom line. That is always our rate. If we find $12,000 in savings every month, you'll owe us $6,000 each month, and you'll keep $6,000. Simple as that. This means that our services are not an added business expense or line item. We are paid strictly out of the savings that we find for you. Our process is cash flow positive. This method of pricing motivates us to find your maximum savings opportunities. It's part of what makes our audit process so thorough. We find that this pricing method actually serves your best interests. More savings are found when we have a stake in the game. We don't get paid unless we benefit you and your bottom line. If we don't find any savings opportunities for you, you don't owe us anything. We don't ever pay your waste hauler, utility, or telecom bills on your behalf. We are not waste brokers. We think you should see your bills and know exactly what you're paying for. Brokers and even some consultants will often package waste hauler bills and their own fees in one tidy little bill. You get one bill from the broker that will likely only have one amount listed. This amount is a conglomerate of services at all properties and will also typically include his broker fee. This method provides you ultimately no transparency. You have to rely on your broker and trust that he's being honest with you. Suppose your broker hands you an invoice that is 30% larger than last month's invoice. Your broker may tell you that waste hauler fees have gone up or that you had a standard price hike at 2 locations. But in reality, your broker may have decided that his fees should increase. Obscuring what you are being charged opens the possibility for unfair spikes and charges to occur. If you don't know exactly what you're paying for, then it's really hard to know when anomalies are there. In order to prevent this, we have a different standard billing practice. We set up ideal contracts, service levels, and waste equipment. All bills for every waste recycling and valet vendor are sent to the appropriate party at your company. They don't go through us beforehand, so you'll never get a hauler bill from us. We will, however, audit those invoices. For most clients, we can obtain online logon information from you and your staff that allows us to see these invoices on the hauler website. You don't have to send them to us. We can just automatically log in. We find hauler invoices contain errors about 10% of the time, so we are careful to ensure that the line items on your invoice match the pricing or service levels dictated in your contract.